Hello everyone and welcome back to Blended Librarian at Goa. I am Prayangi, your librarian guide to technology tools, academic writing and research support. Today's video is a complete tutorial on how to create an automatic table of contents, list of figures and list of tables in MS Word. Whether you are preparing an assignment, writing a report or working on a dissertation, this is one of the most important skills you must have. By end of this video, you will be able to format any document professionally with just a few clicks. So, let's get started. Before we begin with the practical demonstration, let me quickly explain the main idea to you. Once we finish our dissertation, we normally type table of content, list of figures or tables. If you are doing this video is for you because MS Word can automatically create a table of contents, but only if you format your document properly. This means all chapter titles must use heading styles, all figures must have figure captions, all tables must have table captions. Once Word identifies these elements, it can automatically generate a table of content, list of figures and list of tables. So we will follow 3 steps. First, apply heading styles. Second, insert captions for figures and tables. And third, generate the automatic list. Now, let's start with the step 1. This is a sample document that already has chapter headings and subheadings. Right now, all headings are just typed in normal text, but Word can only include headings in the table of content if it has a proper heading styles. So let me show you how to apply it. Step 1. Select the title of the chapter. Then go to Home. Click on Heading 1. You will see the text changes the style. Don't worry, you can always modify the style. Now I'll apply heading 1 to all main chapters. Next, for subheadings like 1.1, 1.2, I'll apply heading 2. You can also apply heading 3 for deeper levels. Why are we doing this? Because the table of content uses this heading level to structure your document. This way, your table of content looks neat and matches your formatting. Now that all headings are correctly applied, let us create the table of contents. Place your cursor where you want the table of content, usually after the title page on a fresh page. So we will insert a new page here. Go to Insert, Blank Page. Now go to References, click on Table of Contents. You will see already ready-made options, Table 1, Automatic Table 2 and Manual Table. We will not use manual, we will use Automatic Table 1. Click on Automatic Table 1. Instantly, Word generates beautifully formatted table of content including all your chapters and subheading. It also adds page numbers automatically. If you add more text later or your page numbers changes, don't worry. You can update this table of content anytime by clicking on Update Table of Content. You will get two options, Update Page Numbers and Update Entire Table. Choose Update Entire Table when you add new headings or change their names. And then you have to click on OK. Now your table of content is ready. Next, we will create the list of figures. But before that, we must add caption to every figure. Let me show you how. Click on the figure, go to References, click on Insert Caption. A small box will open. By default, the label will be figures. So you can name this figure like Digital Tool Usage. Then click on OK. Similarly, go to next figure, click on the figure, insert caption. There is option where you want to place the caption, either below or above the item based on the author guidelines. Then this will be figure 2. Say OK. This caption you can format to match your complete document. You can repeat this for all the images like figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 and so on. If you add a figure between figure 2 and figure 3, Word will automatically renumber them later. So now you have caption and Word can generate the list of figures. To generate the list of figures, go to the place where you want it, usually after the table of content. We will insert a new page here. Then go to Reference, click on Insert Table of Figures. You can select the tab leader, whichever you want. Then caption label should be figure. Then you can see the preview how the table of figures will look like. Then click on OK. You can add heading to this. You can see Word now has created a full list of figure with page numbers. Anytime you add or move a figure, just update the list using right click, click on Update field. You will get two options, update page numbers only and update entire table. You have to select whichever option you want and click on OK. Now let's add caption for tables just like we did for figures. So you have to go to table. Now click on the table, go to reference, insert caption. Label, you have to select the table, then position of the label and give caption to the table. Click on OK. You can format this as per the author guidelines. Similarly, we will go to table 2, click on the table, go to reference, insert caption, table 2, okay, then we will go to table 3, insert caption, okay. Now for the list of tables, we'll follow the same procedure. Place your cursor on the page where you want the list of tables. So we will again add new page. We'll go to reference, insert table of figures. Here it will be table. Okay. List of tables. Your list of tables is ready. If you add new table later, just update the field by right clicking and clicking on the update field. So now in the document we have table of content, table of figures, list of tables, and our entire document. Now let me show you one of the most important academic formatting technique, using Roman numbers for preliminary pages and Arabic numbers for main chapters. Almost every university requires this format and it instantly makes your document look professional. First, place your cursor at the end of the last preliminary page, usually the list of tables. Now go to page layout, click on breaks. In section break, click on next page. This divides your document into two sections. Section 1 will be title page to list of tables. And section 2 will be introduction onwards. Now click in the footer of any preliminary page. Click insert, page number, bottom of the page, select the position. Then again go to format page numbers. You will have to select the numbering format. Then click on OK. You can see the preliminary pages has been numbered. Now click on the footer of introduction page. Click on page number, format page number. Numbering format should be 1, 2, 3. Under start at type 1, click OK. Now your introduction starts with page 1 in Arabic numbers, while your front pages uses Roman numbers, exactly as required for academic documents. Now Since we have changed the page numbers of preliminary pages and the main chapters of the document, we will have to update table of content, list of figures and list of tables. I have already shown you all how to update the table of content, list of figures and list of tables one by one. If your document is long, instead of updating this one by one, you can update everything together. For that, click Ctrl A to select entire document, then click F9. You will get two options, update page numbers and update entire table. Click on update entire table and click on OK. You can see the page numbers has been changed. This is extremely useful before submitting your final document. Let us quickly recap everything we learned today. First, apply heading style correctly. Second, insert figures and table caption. Then create an automatic table of contents. Then generate list of figures and list of tables. Use Roman numbers for preliminary pages. Then use Arabic numbers for introduction chapter. By following these steps, your document becomes organized, professional and academically correct. Thank you for watching this detailed tutorial. If you found it useful, please give this video a like, share it with your students and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to Blended Librarian at Goa for more academic and research focused content. See you in the next video. Dev Bare Karu.